Om Sri Paramatmane Namah. Today we will be talking on the concept of Bhagavad Gita, on how to worship the God by one's one natural duty. So, work is worship. This is the concept of Bhagavad Gita. On 18th chapter, 46th sloka, Lord Krishna has told Arjuna that Jatah Prabhuti Bhutana Jena Sarva Idam Tatam Swakarmana Tam Abhyarcha Siddhing Vindati Manava. That means from whom all beings are coming, are created, and by whom the entire universe is pervaded with. He is the universal master, universal supreme power. By worshipping him through performing one's own natural duty very sincerely, without any greed for self-gain, man attains the highest perfection. So one has to adopt a righteousness and equanimity in success or failure, and choose a profession which promotes the feeling of empathy and sympathy to the fellow beings, and maintain harmony, compassion, and feeling for others. That is Madatma Sarva Bhutatma. With this concept, one can help others and elevate one's own soul by performing his duty without any attachment of gaining out of it anything for the self-interest. So, in this context, on 55th sloka of 11th chapter also, how to perform the duty so that you can reach the God. The way has been described by Lord Krishna to Arjuna on Vishwarupa Darshana Yoga. That is, Mat karma krut mat paramo mad bhakta sangha varjitaha nirvairaha sarva bhuteshu jah sa mangeti pandava. Here, the karma yoga, bhakti yoga, and jnana yoga all have been included in this single sloka. So, mat karma krut, O Arjuna, he who performs all his duties for my sake only, conferring all this fruit of the duty to me only, and he who is well devoted to me and depends on me, because one has to encounter a lot of falls and ups in this life. Only dependence, God dependence will relieve the situation, relief from the situation, and who has no attachment, that is personal gain out of his own duty, and he who is free from all malice to all the living beings in this world, he only can reach the God. So, in this context, I have written in Ashtagujjari Raga in Odia followingly: Jeu Paramatma Tanti Srasta Sabu Praninka Jiye Vyapta Vishwa Brahmande Karma Puja Hitanka Nija Karma Jiye Karai Seva Manobhavare Paramatma Puja Hueta Siddhi Labhe Sansare Mo Priti Nimante Karmaku Sada Kale Arjuna Mora Parayana Hoina Kale Mora Bhajana तेजी संसारर आसक्ति शत्रु भाव वर्जिण मो परम पद लभिब एहा निश्चित जान। हरि ओम तत्सत।